Hi everyone. Today we will see the demo of my smart school, a school ERP software. This will help you to manage the schools and streamline the work. This is a cloud-based software, and you can access it from anywhere, anytime, using any desktop, laptop, or tablet, etc. You can access it through a websites from any browser or a Android app. It has three type of user. One is admin that will handle all the activity and control the system, and second is for staff and employees, and third is for parents and students, so they can see their respective detail. So let's now start. This is our first screen of login screen, and here you simply just enter the username and password, and after entering, just log in a simplest interface for all three type of users. There is no need to fill or select any types. So this is our admin dashboard, and left side you are seeing that this is our menu, and right side some statistics of school related to number of student, etc., and employee. And in between, this is a calendar, and there are some schedules, recording, and notices are there. And from here you can search any student by name, father name, class, admission number, etc. And so let's start from exploring the one by one menu. So first one is student module. Here you can admit a student, update any detail, promotion and transfer, means issuing any TC to any student, etc. So as the name suggests, add on, when we click on admit, there are some basic information. You can just fill these information, and it will admit to a respective session. And then after adding these detail, this detail can be changed from your side, or any menu, if any column if you did not find here, can add at your own from the system. So it's a dynamic. And after admitted student, you can enter, or previously admitted student, you can enter from search any student and update any details like basic detail, update the photo, etc. from here. So this way you can update any student at any time, and it will like this, it will reflect at the same time, and the all details will show simultaneously on web browser as a website or an Android app also. So here are multiples column, multiples detail, basic address, communication, parents, medical, physical, class and subject, transport, etc. Here you can add any new column also. This is a dynamic feature of our software at any time, so you did not or do not need to call the company to add any columns at your end. You can add this. After that, next is promotion. This is a one-time activity at the end of the session. You just need to click the class name and um, promotion to class name and the section, and just get manage promotions. Here in one click you can promote the whole class in a one click. It may be a case that in the next session you want to remain the student on the same class, so select here the same class. And in any cases, if you don't want to promote now, then select not now. So this student will not promote to any class to the next session. The only selected student will be only selected either in this class or that class will be promoted. So in this way, just a single click you can promote the complete class. Next is student transfer. So here you can transfer and issue the TC. Also download a TC after issuing, and in a just single click, the TC is downloaded, and you can show this. You can check this and the sign and hand over this TC to the student. It will remain in your system also. So keep record, and you do not need to print any TC copy, etc. Here when you want to issue a TC or transfer a student, just find the student from a respective class and just fill this detail. Here are some details. This format is selected 23 column format for CBSE, you can choose from your own board or your own state. And if there is you did not find do not find, then please contact us. We will also design or modify according to the your state or board. So just save this issue this transfer certificate, and you will find this like that a list of already, and you just print from it. These students are disabled from after issuing TC. These students are disabled or inactive from the live or active session, and you can see these detail at any time later, but they are disabled from counting or live current session. So next step is like that employee. Here you can manage designation, create school your own designation. The one more one the main feature of this software is dynamic. So you will find nothing here, just add designation as per your school. So no need to worry that we use designation previously created. Just create your own. So the system will work according to you, not you need to work according to the system. So here also, thus in a simple way, just add new employee and just fill some details, and you will thus employees added here. So like that. And after that, you can also update the employee from here. And next is academic. Here you can manage your academics, different manage classes, manage section, teachers, timetables, etc. So here is manage classes. So again, these classes, when your account open, these classes will be here is nothing, so it will be blank. Just add new class. It is as simple as possible. So for example, class 1 or nursery, if we, and here write just a small name and R or N U R, and just add. So in this way your classes will be added. When you add a class, a first section name is added automatically. Then we go to manage section, and here you will find that section A is added automatically. If you need more section, just go to add new section, and just class, select the class, and write the section name. Here you can also name the section of anything like rose, it means flower names, etc. Because some school have the section different section names. So the A or B C is not compulsory. You can add it anytime these section name. So that will be work accordingly. So here you can change it, for example rose, and we update it. So this section become A section become now rose. So it's totally dynamic again, and will work according to you. Now we can manage teachers. These are for making timetable. Timetable is also a good feature of the software, and it is a semi-automatic, means uh, some uh, some detail you need to fill, and some it will help you to manage the like removing the classes, and removing the some other, and availability of teacher, showing the only available teacher, etc. So in the manage class, you just need to tell the system that a teacher can teach which classes and which subject. And when we manage a timetable, you just need to select a timetable and class, and then you need to fill that for like that. If when we click this Monday period, so when we select a subject, it will automatically show the only the available teacher. So classes will removed totally from occurring. So you can also make, and then you can create a different timetable report according to the mm, needs. For example, class wise, you can report either for a single class or multiple class in a single click here, like that. And the teacher name also shown here, and class name, and the and in this way the timetable will be created. You can directly print from print on one class on one page, or more than one class on one page. So it will automatically print. For example, like when I click this way, it will print in this way. And you can also make it a landscape to print multiple, or you can also scale up. For example, let's say 50%, so when we do it 100%, it like that. So it is totally flexible, and you can just different do the different create different report like a day wise, and here you can print the any day or all day reports of the school, whole school, like that. And also you can print teacher wise. Next, you can upload the syllabus and study material of any class, any subject, and then we come to the main feature, that is our fee. So here again, if we I want to discuss about it, the fee head. First thing is you need to create fee head. So it's also dynamic again. The fee name. i- when you started the fee, here is the blank list, so there is no name you find. You need to just fill the name or add the name of fee as per your requirement, as per your school needs. So you just need to create this is a one time work, and you just need to add the fee head name. So just it's a simple work, not a complex thing. And just write the name of the fees, for example, tuition fees, or any fees that you want to take, tuition fees. So in this way, you can select the frequency. For example, if some school are taking monthly, quarterly, or anytime, and just add the fee. So the number of fee had in your school, just enter those. You don't worry to handle the all these type of fees. You just use only those you need. So again, it's a dynamic feature, and you can add at any time when your session is running, and you suddenly got a new fee add, or suddenly you are taking start taking new type of fees. Just go to the add new fees, and it will uh, added in just a second. Next, this is also a one time work, and then we go to fee structure. Here we fill the fee structure of a particular class. This work is for one time for every session. You need to fill the fee of a class, particular class, in starting of each session, and the fee is calculated based on this. And here, if you want to give a concession or other rebate to a student, you can give from here the edit single section. So from here you can select a particular student and give any type of concession, etc. So if we fill a particular student fee here, then it will take or calculate his or her fees from this. If otherwise it calculate from class fees. So this is also a one time work, and it will calculate automatically. Then we need to take the fee receipts, and here you just need to select a student, and it will show their all fees. For example, here you are seeing that these three four fees are paid, and this is pending fee. Here you can take fee of more or less, means if amount is 300, like this example, or if we choose another student, for example, I choose another student, this one. And here you see that this student have paid some fees already, 450 and 650 is due. So like that, and again, if here is a student is due 200, for example, just 200, then it show due. And if he or she give more than the fees, it show advance payment also. And in this way, just a fee receive a fees, and you just okay, make it okay. And then you find the here receipt. You can also take cash, bank deposit, transaction ID. You can also note the transaction ID, bank name, etc., check, and etc. So in this way you can take the fees, etc. And after taking the fees, you can print the receipt. Here is the list of current latest some receipt taken from student. You can just print this, and after clicking, it will generate a receipt within a second, and you can give it to the student. here this is one of the format. Here we have six type of format, means you can just give a all detail in one page or half page or quarter page or half one and half other, like that. We have six type of format here, so you can select any. This is one of that. And even you do not need to print it, you just directly say to the student that download it from your app, so they also download. And in this way, if you want to take if you want to calculate the number of fees are received today, or between two any two date or this month, just select any month or dates. For example, here I'm selecting the 2 3 months one, and today's date I'm recording here, and just get the detail. So you find these all detail of between these two dates. And here is total also, and you can, like that, you can fetch the detail of any number of receipt between different date, and it will calculate or sum etc automatically. Another things is that you need to fetch the detail of the student whose fee is unpaid. So for that we need to go to reports, and here you can select the select the student list, fee unpaid student list, and just get report, and here you will get the reports of unpaid student list with the amount. So in that way you can select it. This is for all school in a single click, and if you want to check for a particular class, you can just select a class. For all section or for a particular section also, you can select, for example, this, and you will get that only. So in this way we have different type of reports here, so you can find that. So next report is fee detail, invoice, and headwise. So here you can find the details of headwise, means which fee have how many sum, like that. So it will break down the fee into different heads. For example, exam fees, transport fees, and etc. Annual charge, admission charge, like that. So you can also find that the fee of all student total, how much we received, total paid and total unpaid. So like that you can also generate this type of receipt also. Next report is fee detail student headwise. Here you can check the both type of receipt. For example, paid or unpaid, exempted, or all type of receipt, active student or inactive student, and like class. You can choose a particular class or for whole school, etc. And also select the invoice or whole invoice, etc. So in this way you can get the detail and report, and you instantly get the report of all students. This is we have selected the unpaid list, so this is a unpaid list of the breakdown by different heads. So like that you can also check the paid fees, and when you click the paid, this is paid fees report. So different way we can find the different report, different way of fees report of regarding to fees. Next report is fee date wise. So you can also find that report date wise, in a date wise sum of collections, and like that also receipt month wise, it will show you the month wise details of the receipt, and like that. So next is our identity card generation. So when we select student ID card, here is a just simple process. Select a particular class and section and get the student detail. For example, these are eligible for print, and these three are not eligible for print because they don't have image. So just click on select all or particular student. If you don't want to print this, then unselect this and generates iCard. It will generate these iCard within a second or two, and you can see these live. So it's a totally dynamic, that which detail you print and which detail you do not need to print. So you can select from these detail from identity card, etc. Identity card details, and you will see this the identity card is issued like that. And here you can see that this design is appear. Now we go to the ID card design, and here you can select any design. We have some design, for example, you can show here, you can see this here, some designs, and you can select any of the design from here. So these are, so you can design any of these iCard, select just by selecting. For example, now we have selected three, and now we want to select two or four or five. And so just select from here. For example, we select four, and other details are so iCard, one-sided or two-sided, logo, circular, rectangle, school name, etc. And one other important thing, you can select the which information you want to print on that iCard. For example, right now you do not, you only find these three or four detail, student name, class, birthday, and father name. Now we want to print admission number also, or phone number also. So just select, and here the signature or authority, and the upload the signature, just save the design. After saving design, the instantly it is applicable to the, and you go to the student iCard again and select the student, and again generate the iCard, and it is just downloaded, and just click on open it, and now you can see the phone number and admission are also shown, and the design has changed. So you can change anytime and design. Apart from these design, you can also provide us your own design, that we will include that in system also. And it's a totally simple work. So this also bring your cost down and save a lot of effort and other things. Next is messages. So there are two type of messages: app messages that are completely free for all teachers and student, and other is SMS. You can send SMS from directly here within a tab. For example, if we want to fee notice, send a fee notice amount, and just send message. It will send the all the student to those fees pending, like that. It will fill automatically student name and fees, and this template is sent to the individual student with their name and fees. So all parents whose fees is pending or unpaid, they got the message. So in this way, in a single click, you can send SMS. Next, here are multiple SMS template, like the school remain closed, or school timing change, and suddenly when you got a government order to close it, you can also write that here also, that the school will remain closed or will open, etc., on government order. So you can just fill these variable here. For example, here I write the closed, so it's written here. So in this way, the message will populate the variable in between then, and then it will be sent as per this government of Indian government order, or state government order, yeah, any or any type of state government order, and in this way. So you can send in just a single click. You can send either to all classes in a single click, or a particular section or a particular class, like that. Or also you can select staff. You can make the group of staff also. Next is and you can check also SMS report here, when a message is delivered or not. So you can see the delivery reports you can see here, and it will show the exact the delivery report and time and seconds, etc. Next is notice board. This is also important, and here when you add a new notice board, like that, it will shown to the all three type of user, means admin and all teachers and student, etc., and on their dashboard, like that. Here this it is showing that exam, and this is also I will show you on the another a teacher dashboard also. This is our teacher so this will appear here and here also, both way. And this next is a student uh, dashboard. It will also display on the student dashboard also. So next we will come to the our inquiry management model. So you can fill when you receive any inquiry regarding admission, etc. So you can fill the detail here and keep records. So no need to maintain the register or paperwork. Directly fill here, and you can then later on you can check from here and take follow up from here also. Next is our exam module. It's another important module. Here you can create your exam, and it will automatically help to make the maintain the record of exams and marks, and then after that it automatically make the report cards from exam. For like that, this you need to just create these for example this, and when we select a particular evaluator or a class teacher, for example when we create a student or like that edit a exam, here you find that it is a evaluator name. So then the exam will appear only this evaluator, and when we go to this evaluator account, you can see that this exam evaluation, you can go election and exam marks entry. So here you find the here you find the all exam created and assigned to these teachers. So in this way, you just need to select the exam and just fill the marks. So like that, it's a very simple, very simple, and the from session starting to end, you just fill all exam marks and no need to keep track of Excel file, paper list, etc. All are filled here, and at the last automatically the report card will generate. So next, after exam we will go to the next hour. Now report card. Now go to the report card, download report card, and just select the session or section, class, etc. And just select the report card name and student name of the student, all or one. You can select this all at a time or one at a time, and then just click on download, and you find that report card is downloaded. And like that, this is a one report card that we have generated for a particular school, and it is automatically filled and created. So you do not need to fill the Excel files, etc., and you find that a beautiful report card, and all is automatic, and no manual work is there. So next thing is after report card, you can also manage the finance management. Means you can record all income and expenditure of your particular school. Then no need to keep track of paperwork and so you can record all the expense and income, other income in the system also, and it will help you to monitor from anywhere, anytime, and generating the list. So next thing is our transport model. Here you can manage all vehicle makes, routes of the student for student, and maintain the record of all your vehicle, etc. The next thing is now we will go to the teachers or employee accounts. Here one more thing is that you can assign a particular work or particular role that is an important things to a employee. For example, if you want to give a particular role, for example a fee receipt, fee record maintenance, or fee receipt taking, want to assign to a particular clerk or accountant, and you want to give a permission to exam for a particular teacher, and to the other timetable for a particular. So you can assign those role only. For example, here you see that the report card is assigned, exam model to assign is here assigned to this employee. So from admin panel we can assign a particular job or particular work to a particular teacher. So go to a master entry, and you will find here that user permission, and you can remove and assign a particular, for example exam, we have assigned the exam model to that particular teacher. So you can remove the that detail. For example, here you see that name, and I will remove it, and you can see that now it will not available to particular account. And now we want to assign this fee model to that particular teacher or employee, any teacher or employee. For example, I am assigned this, and remove from that. and you can assign also to multiple at the simultaneously to just update. So now we have do two changes. One is removing exam module permission and adding fee. So now go to the that particular employee or teachers. Now you can see there is no exam and the fee receipt is here. So in this way, a role wise, a role based permission you can allow to a particular teacher. So this is a teacher dashboard. From teacher dashboard we can see the one by one menu. Here app message are also there like the WhatsApp, etc. So in the same app you can also message to a particular person or whole group of person also. And next is attendance. A teacher can take the attendance of their class, and you can, from assigning these taking the attendance, it's a very simple. Just take the date, and for example like that, these are the student, and you find that the all are present, mostly are present, that just fill the present, and all are filled, and then you find that two are absent, then just select two are absent in this way and save the attendance. In this way the attendance take hardly 1 minute for saving. Then teacher can take their see their attendance register like that. This is the attendance register. We have filled the 24th date, this abhi, right now we have filled this 24th of February. So in this way attendance are filled, and the you can also take the attendance report, and attendance report like that total number of absent of a particular student, holiday, leaves, present, absent, and the percentage also shown here. And the attendance here you can then attendance finalization, it log the attendance after taking after taking or last of a month. Then next is student list. It's also depend upon the admin to give permission to see the student for a particular class teacher. So it's depend upon the admin to give you permission or not. If he or she give the permission, you can just check the student list, and here a class teacher can only see their list of their own class students, and he or she can also update if admin provide the permission. Here you can see that only the admin allow teacher to change the roll number. So here only roll number can be changed by teacher. Next is homework. A teacher can send homework to their classes, study and study material syllabus. He or she can upload timetable. A teacher can see their own timetable plus class timetable, etc. In this way. So if a teacher has assigned the class any or like that, and then he or she also create the question bank and take question paper, and also conduct the exam online also for MCQ type exam. And evaluation, you can fill the marks, upload exam, etc. And these three things are permission are given, right? We have discussed already these. And the last is profile, and one is change password, last one. This is for teachers dashboard or teacher account. Now we will go to the student account. Student get their own detail from like that. This bring to the uh, fee page first. So here there are a setting in the admin panel. If a admin panel on that setting, the first if a student did not pay the fees, it take automatically to the fee page first time. So here another things is dashboard, like the student dashboard. Here is notices and other notices are here also. Profile of the student, homework for that particular class, app message he received or did not received, syllabus and study material he can check their fee and download their receipt from here, and online transactions are also there, and he or she can check their attendance, like p and absent like that. In this way, p, absent, etc., total and total present. And he can also check their class timetable from here, and then he can check the transport of their transport detail, pickup and drop time, vehicle, driver name, driver phone number, etc., photo, etc. For and here he or she can check their upcoming exam, if is there any exam is scheduled, and also there is a like that, and also there is a completed exam. So date sheet like that is shown here, and the when we click on the completed exam, and you see here that the exam is completed in marks and grade obtained or not. So it's depend upon the completely the exam or the admin to allow student or not to allow student. Here a student can also download their report card. It's also depend upon the configuration, and the last one is change password of student. So if a student can change their password. So that's all from our side for this demo, and the details video of each module, for example, for any, for example, student, employee, fee, etc., are there also. Detailed video are there also. So this is an overview, and thanks for watching.